Okay guys, welcome again to the channel. We are still here at Kwahu, bringing you updates of the Easter festivities, which is one of the biggest events in Ghana. Now we are at the Paragliding festival, which is the main focus of the whole Easter celebrations. You also have videos from the afternoon and evening events, which you can watch here on our channel by visiting SunsetDroneGh, and then going to our videos. You find Kwahu Easter event videos and what is actually going on here in Kwahu in 2022 Easter celebration. The Paragliding festival attracts both Ghanaians and foreigners each year during the Easter festivities. This year's edition has been great, as it has been 2 years since the event was held due to the COVID-19 pandemic. Seasoned pilots from around the world are invited to fly hundreds of people during the 3 to 4 day event at Kwahu Atibie. The event has over the years flown thousands of people and given them memorable experiences. The location to takeoff point, or for the takeoff point of the paragliding, is Odwenanoma mountain. The location for landing is Nkawkaw Stadium. The event is very nice and people are enjoying it, as you can see from the area shots and the videos that you are watching right now. Please, if you have not subscribed to the channel, I will entreat you to click on the red subscribe button. Wait for some few minutes, you see a notification bell, click on it and select all to become part of this Sunset family. Keep watching and wait for amazing updates from Kwahu, events that are going on up here in Kwahu.